been feared that one of the most catastrophic results of climate change could be the collapse of the Gulf Stream, the Atlantic Ocean circulation system that is responsible for mild temperatures in the UK and Europe as it moves warm water from the tropics to the northern hemisphere. Well, now climate scientists have detected warning signs that that could be weakening. I'm joined now by Dr. Niklas of Potsdam Institute for Climate Impact Research. Just tell us a bit more about this, because it sounds really frightening and alarming.
Yeah, hi, thank you. So maybe just as a sort of nerdy comment up front, so it is not technically the Gulf Stream, it is the Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation, of which the Gulf Stream is somehow a part of it, but it's really about this large circulation system that covers basically the entire Atlantic Ocean. It brings hot, warm and salty water masses from the tropics to the North Atlantic, and thereby leads to these relatively mild temperatures that we have here in Europe, and in particular in the UK, or even more so in Iceland or northern Norway. And it has been known from, let's say, paleoclimate proxy evidence, for example, from ice cores in Greenland, but also model studies suggest that the AMOC can be in either of two stable modes of operation. So one is the strong mode, which we currently observe, and there is also a weak mode. And in principle, there is abrupt transitions possible between these two. And what I have found now is that we have moved, or the AMOC has likely moved toward the critical threshold at which such a collapse could happen.
And so what do we need to do in brief terms to try to stop this happening?
But basically, so it is hard to estimate the exact time or the exact level of global warming at which such a transition would occur or could occur. What is absolutely sure is that with every gram of greenhouse gases, of CO2, that we emit into the atmosphere, we increase the likelihood of such an event to happen. And so reducing emissions is really the main key thing that we can and have to do.
Yet another reason to reduce emissions. Dr. Niklas, thank you very much indeed, and thank you very much for the clarification. Not sure it was nerdy, it was just a clarification, so thanks very much for that as well.
Cheers.